Imagine a 25-foot wave. Not of water, but of sticky, dark molasses. This unbelievable event actually happened in Boston on January 15th, 1919. A massive storage tank holding over 2.3 million gallons of molasses suddenly ruptured. The sticky floods surged through the streets at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. The sheer force ripped buildings from their foundations, trapping people in the syrupy torrent. It even buckled a steel girder supporting an elevated railway line, showing its immense power. Tragically, 21 people lost their lives, and 150 more were injured in the disaster. The cleanup was an epic nightmare, lasting weeks as workers battled the thick, brown goo. Molasses-coated cars, horses, and buildings seeping into homes and businesses. For decades afterward, Bostonians claimed that on hot summer days, they could still smell the lingering sweetness.